Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall VLC Player from your Windows 11 operating system. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon here and you will find Gear Setting icon. Click on it. A new window will appear. Find on the left side App option. Click on Apps option here. You will find an option Installed app. Click on it. A new window will appear. All applications that are installed in your PC you can see here. Search on a search box VLC. Only VLC Player software will appear. Click on three dots and click on Uninstall option. After read the option, click again Uninstall. Click on Next button to complete the uninstallation process. And check the Delete Preferences and Cache and click Uninstall button. You can see VLC Player is uninstalled and disappear VLC Player from your PC. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.